This is Honda Pilot 2008, and as you can see, the window is broken. Okay, so I'm gonna take it apart and see what's going on with it. I'm gonna use this tool right here. It looks like something's holding right there. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up and see. Okay, so I was able to open it from the top. Just open this and use a screwdriver. Okay, a flathead screwdriver. And as you can see, there's two screws right there. You will also need to remove the cup holder, okay, like from the bottom right here. Use a screwdriver like right here, there's like a spot, okay, and just go like this and it should pop up, and then just pull it carefully. Okay, there's like two pins right here, so you can use something like this. Okay, and once you remove that, there's a screw right here. Okay, so maybe you do not need to remove these. I'm gonna remove this one first and then see. Okay, it looks like you do need to remove these screws, okay, because otherwise it's gonna hold it. And also there's another screw right here, right on the bottom. And that's it. Now I can go ahead and remove it. Just go up. Then the handle, you can pull it out. This was also disconnected, the cup holder. I think the motor must be replaced together with the rail, because as you can see, it moves. Nothing is wrong with the rail, but the wire, you see, something's going on with the wire, so definitely with the motor. So it comes together, I guess. So I'm gonna start removing these right here, the motor itself, and of course you bring the window down right here, and you will have to remove these as well. Okay guys, so I removed all the bolts, even that hold the motor. When you actually like remove like the two bolts right here that hold the window, then bring the window up like this and use some tape right here. This will hold the window, because if it falls it will crack, you know. You don't want to do that. Or you can like put something like here, maybe like a wood stick that is gonna hold the window. Okay, and remember, this will not hold for long. Okay, so you might want to do this quick when replacing it, because it may fall anyway with all the tape. Okay, so there was like a clip, small clip that was holding it right here. Okay, so you just press it and it will fall out. That's holding the rail. And also pull the wire inside so you can pull it out. Okay, and here's the rail and the motor. Okay, as you can see inside there was like a cable, maybe got loose or something broken inside, so definitely replace the rail together with the motor. Okay, I removed this from a different vehicle. Okay, and that's how it should look. Okay, nothing should be loose. So let's install it. Okay, I installed it. Now I'm gonna remove the tape and put my arm right underneath so the window does not fall. Okay, as you can see. Now okay, now you can just bring it down, and there's like special things that hold it, and put the screws in. Okay, now make sure everything is tight, don't over tight. Now what we want to do is check if it works or not before we put everything back together. You need to connect this cup, otherwise it's not gonna work. And turn on the ignition. Okay. And don't forget to connect the wire. And now you see that it's actually working. Okay. Make sure you connect the wire correctly from here, right here, and right here, so it would not be like in the way of this window. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now we need to put everything back together, and that's all. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.